Hi, good morning. Madam Tan here again. Okay, so as you can see in the diagram, now we are going to discuss about question for the graph. Okay, so let's see how we're going to solve this question. This one is in our tutorial book, tutorial question, page 18, question number 6. So if you look at here, you are given a graph here. Okay. So for the question of graph, you should know how to interpret the graph. I mean, you need to know how to extract the info from here. Okay. So let's look at what is the y and x axis first. This one is actually x. S is actually stand for displacement. Okay, displacement. Okay, t time. Okay, so you found that we have a point. We have 4 points here. Point A, B, C, D here. Okay. So after we look at the what is the quantity on y and the x-axis, and now we look at what do they ask you to find. Okay. If I write the question here, first of all, they ask you to find what is the total distance moved. So how are you going to solve this question? Before that, from a graph, Madam illustrate the situation for this object. Okay. Jadi kalau saya baca nilai displacement directly from the graph, you found that pada point A, nilai displacement kita berapa nilai dekat sini? Kosong kan? Kosong. Okay, so I illustrate the diagram first. So for example, you have a point. This one is your initial point, for example. Pada asalnya, objek kita dekat sini. Contohnya kita ada bola lah. Contohnya objek kita dekat sini. This one is our point A. Point A. Ni dekat sini. Point A, more exactly on the reference point. At 0 point here. Then, kalau kita tengok dari segi nilai displacement, dekat point B di sini sekarang ni, nilai displacement kita dah jadi 40 meter. Maksudnya bola ini dia bergerak ke satu kedudukan positive 40 kan. 40 maksudnya dia pergi arah kanan kan. Remember positive 30. Kalau saya kata bola ini dia hanya bergerak dalam one dimension motion, positive 40 means kedudukan B kita kat sini lah. Jarak ini 40 meter lah. Okay. Kemudian kita tengok dari B ke C. Kalau saya baca nilai S daripada graph, what can you say is actually, you see, from B to C, the value of displacement maintain the same value, which is 40 here. Maintain the same value. Maksudnya B ke atau point C ke maintain same value, maksudnya point C objek kita masih dekat kedudukan ini lah. Okay. Then how about C ke D? C ke D, you found that our value for displacement from 40 now decrease to where? Decrease to 0 meter again. Okay, maksudnya bola ini path dia macam mana? Dia pula balik ke original point lah. Sebab nilai S untuk ini kosong. Nilai S kosong maksudnya bola ini balik ke original position dia lah. Where this value also 40 lah, right? Okay. Jadi pergerakan dia begini Mula-mulanya dari sini bagi B. Dari B ke C dia berehat ke sini. Lepas tu dia balik ke sini. Alright. Jadi macam mana kita nak cari contohnya? For example, in this case dia tanya apa? Total distance move. So you should understand what is mean by total distance move lah. It actually means, as we learned before, what is the definition for distance? What is the definition for distance? Distance actually means the actual path between 2 points. The actual path exactly traveled by the object. Okay. So in this case, perjalanan yang betul-betul dilalui oleh objek ini adalah 40 tambah lagi 40 kan. Ini memang perjalanan yang betul-betul dilalui oleh objek ini kan. So that's why here how am I going to find this 40 tambah lagi 40 which is 80 meter. So we have this. This one is our answer. Okay. But how about second part? Second part apa yang diminta? Dia minta displacement. And then we think back what is the definition for displacement. Okay. So for information, displacement is actually, okay, kalau we recall back, displacement is actually what? What is that? It's actually shortest distance between initial and the final point. And the final point. Okay. So initial point kita dekat point A. Final point pun dekat sini kan. Jadi macam mana dengan nilai displacement dia? For information, kalau initial and the final point dia sama, dengan kata lain displacement dia kita kosong. Kita ni kosong. So we have this. Sebenarnya ada cara lain untuk kita dapat kosong ini. Ada cara lain. Okay. So this one first method. Remember, if the initial and the final point same, means the value for the displacement always 0. Or what else? The method you can use. The second method will be, okay, we know that pada mulanya objek ini ke kanan kan, ke kanan. Jadi displacement kalau ke kanan positif 40. Kemudian dia berehat kan, berehat jangan kira. Dia berehat lepas tu finally dia balik ke point A kan. Dia beralih ke arah kiri kan. Kalau ke arah kiri, remember for displacement ke arah kiri we put a minus sign. Minus how much here? Minus 40 here. So positive 40 minus 40 you get 0 lah. So same thing, you get 0 meter here. So that's how we solve this problem. Okay, so for this problem itu je. Thank you.